You know I gotta get my glasses on. Hold the phone. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, I finally got my November 2020 Boxycharm Premium. So, if you want to see what I got inside, what variation I got, and my thoughts of the Boxycharm Premium, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so like I said, this had just came in, but before I open this up, I want to show you something that was sent to me for review. Oh, I'm going to show you my address there. And this really touched me, and let me tell you why. So, if you don't know, my mother had passed away last Thanksgiving. So, this Thanksgiving will actually be her year anniversary. And her favorite color is blue, especially baby blue. And so, when I moved into this house, my other house, I always had my kitchen and my dining room white and black with red. You know, I always like to pop a color. And so I had that for a few years, and my kids were like, Mom, we are so tired of red. So when this company reached out to me, I was like, you know what? In my kitchen now, I have white cabinets, and then like the stove, the refrigerator is black, so it's white and black again. And I thought I'm going to accent it with blue, baby blue. So when this company reached out to me, I thought this is perfect. So let me show you what it is. Let me take it out of the box. I've already took it out and everything, and I have this now for going on 3 weeks because I really wanted to see if it really worked what it said. And I'll get to the point what it is. But it is called, this company is called Rose Forever. And that's what it looks like. And these are actually roses, flowers, real flowers that stay alive, I guess, fresh for a whole year. And let me show you what this looks like. It is baby blue, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's showing justice like on camera. And they don't really smell like roses, like a little bit, but not like that rose smell. But that's okay, because I figured if I really want that smell, I can get a candle that smells like roses. But they're real roses. I don't know what they do to make these last for a year, but how beautiful is that? It's so gorgeous. And it has the black that will go with like my appliances, and then the blue. And I figured I will put this right on like the island right there, you know? Or I could put it on my kitchen table. I'm not sure yet. But it's so beautiful. And they feel like flowers. They're not like stiff or anything. The only con that I say, this is like, the base is like velvet. So, I don't know if you guys can see, but if you have pets or anything, you can see, like I have a cat who's white and I have 2 dogs. The hair kind of gets on here, so I have to take one of those like, what are they called, lint rollers, and get that off. That's the only thing. I wish this wasn't velvet for that, because a lot of us usually have pets. Do you know what I mean? But I love this. I will leave all the information down below. You don't have to get this style or the velvet box. It's like cardboard, if you can hear. They have all different ones. They have like a new design that's like shaped as a dome. That's beautiful. They have bigger ones. They have ones that are circles. They have ones that have the roses, and then it's like a clear base. I mean, really beautiful ones. Like I said, you don't have to get this style. But these are a little expensive. I don't know exactly how much for this one is. I believe this is probably one of their cheaper ones. But even if this was $100, if you bought a dozen of roses, it's kind of about the same. And then these actually last a year. So I definitely think it's worth the money. If this is something that you enjoy, if you like flowers, and for me, even when my husband would get me flowers when we were still together, I thought it was so stupid, because you spend all that money and then they die like a week later. You know what I mean? So I really like this. How many times can I tell you that? But I do, especially because it was my mom's favorite color. So I wanted to show you guys that. Like I said, I'll leave all the information down below, and I believe I have a coupon code, so I'll leave everything down below. All right, now let's talk about the main event. So, I already did my Boxycharm base box. I will leave that down below. I did pay for this. This is $35 a month. Boxycharm has a few subscriptions. They have a $25 a month subscription, and then they have the upgrade to the premium. This is $35 a month, and then they have the Luxe, the BOXYLUXE, which is every 3 months. I believe we get that in December next month. All right, so let me cut this puppy open. Okay, so when you open it up, it says, "Hello, Charmer." And like I always tell you, when you see the blue, that's when you know it is the Boxycharm Premium. The Boxycharm base box is red. All right, and there we go. And that's a little sneak peek. Not too much. There's nothing really to show. All right. So the theme for this month is harvest, and that's perfect for Thanksgiving. This Thanksgiving, I'm going to put it on this table right here. It's very hard for me. I don't even know if I'm going to celebrate it because, like I said, my mom did pass away Thanksgiving morning. But, you know, I like the theme. Okay, so, and this weighed 2 pounds, 1 ounce. All right, so the first thing I got is from Pure. This is a 4-in-1 skin perfecting powder. So it's a face palette. Let's see what this puppy says. All right, so this is $32. So this practically pays for the box, and I'm on the fence with like Pure. I don't like their eyeshadows. Like it like has its hits and misses. Some of the shadows are good, some of the palettes aren't. So that's how I feel about Pure. But I do like their bronzers. I think they're really, really nice. So this says medium tan. Medium tan. So this is definitely too dark. So on my profile, I say that I'm light. So I don't even know if I want to swatch this. Let me, all right, I know you're like, come on, Ann, let me see. So let me show you. It's a beautiful palette. This highlighter is definitely too dark for me. I do like the bronzer. I'd have to go in with a light hand. The blush is really pretty. And then this right here, yeah, that's definitely too dark for me, like as a highlight. Yeah, I'm not going to swatch this because I'll swatch it and then I won't use it. And that's a shame. I wish they went by profile. I don't know. Let me know down below if you got this. Did you get it in the shade medium tan? Did everybody get it in medium tan? I don't know. All right, so let's see what else we got. So this was my choice item. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. And how much is this? $39. I don't have any lip gloss on today, and I usually like to wear lip gloss, and so like my lips feel so dry. All right, I didn't even see what shade. Let's see, what shade is this? 01. Okay, so that's my shade. I believe we got to pick our shades. And one thing I like about this, let me open it up. So it has a mirror. Let me cover up that mirror. What I think is cool with this is you can grind it up. So you would turn it like this, and it like finally mills the powder. And also you can also get, as you know, if you don't want a whole lot to come out and stuff. Twist for fresh powder. I think that is so nice. So this is for like, you ever have where you get too much powder out? You can just get just enough. I think that's really, really nice. All right, so we got that. I'm really excited to get this. $39 though. I don't know if I would pay $39 myself to get it, but that's why I like subscription boxes. Okay, so we have this Dose of Colors eyeshadow. I think everybody got this. Mine is in the shade Jackpot. This is $20. Holy cow, $20 for one eyeshadow. That's like Pat McGrath's prices. All right, so we have that. This says Block Party eyeshadow, but it's in the shade Jackpot. So let's see if I got lucky. Oh, okay. This is like a blackish gold color. Can you guys see? It's like a greenish goldish. And the base is like black. Okay, so that is one swatch. Very pretty. Let me deepen it up. Let's see. God, that's beautiful. That is gorgeous. So the undertone is black, but then it's like a greenish gold. Oh, God, that's gorgeous. Let's see. That is really, really pretty. I like that. Okay. I'm definitely, oh my God, I just can't get over. It's not doing it justice. That's gorgeous. Okay. I'm really happy about that. The next thing we got are these two brushes. These are from Cosmetics, and this is $25. And these are not like brushes for makeup. These are for like your skincare. So one is a cleansing brush, dual-sided silicone mask applicator. What? Looking for my cutter. Okay, I'm just going to... Oh, there's a thing right here. Okay. Oh, okay. I understand why it's saying dual-sided. So this is a face mask right here. And this right here is like soft. And this here has some, let's see if you guys can see. Let me turn you down a little. Can you see it has like a pattern there? And then this here is like soft. So that's good. So you could put your mask on and depending, you know, here if you want to like kind of, you know, have those masks that have the beads in and you want to like put some water on and kind of scrub in. And then the soft one is like to apply your mask. Okay. And then this here, I don't know what, let me turn you down again. You guys can see right here, this pattern. And this is good for cleansing as well to really get that cleanser going. So I'm really excited. Normally I wouldn't be excited, but when it comes to skincare, especially that I'm 44 now, I really am into skincare. So I'm really excited for this. And $25, right? Is that how much I said it was? Yeah, that's not bad for these. I don't think it is. All right, so we have two more things. We have this Grown Alchemist. So this is a detox night cream. And this is, okay, you know I gotta get my glasses on. Hold the phone. $125. Oh my God. You know, let's see, what does it say? This advanced detoxifying night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides. I don't know what that says. Vitamins, hyaluronic acid. Okay. Supposed to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in radiant and youthful looking skin. Well, for $125, it better. But, you know, maybe a lot of people... Where'd you be? Oh my God. I was like, is there anything in there? That's small compared to the box. But I'm not hating on this. And I know the price is like, what? $125? Do they mark up the price? It's not Boxycharm. The brands itself, absolutely. But I believe when you get older, you have to take care of your skin. Even when you're younger, you have to start, because I always say you can buy a $125 foundation. But if you're not taking care of your skin, it doesn't matter how much you spend on makeup, it's not going to look good. You have to start with your skin. So thank you, Boxycharm, for this. Like, I'm really excited for this. All right, and last but not least is from Real Her. This is a lip duo. And this puppy is $25. And I like lip liners. I always tell you guys that Gerard Cosmetics is my favorite lip liner. I wear them every day. And we have two right here. And they're definitely up my alley. Love these colors. Okay. Here is the first shade. Oh, and it's retractable. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, that's pretty, and it's very creamy. All right, so that's the first shade. And then we have this one here. This is like a nude color. It's like a nudish brownie color. Love that. So if this is too bright, you can mix these or however you want to do it. But I love the fact that they give you two. All right, so let's recap everything that I received. I did get variation 2, and then I'll tell you my thoughts. All right, so we got two lip liners. My choice item was this Smashbox powder, which I'm really excited for this. We have this Dose of Color eyeshadow, which, oh my God, I just can't get over it. I mean, it's just not doing it justice. It is gorgeous. Love that. We have this Grown Alchemist Night Cream, $125. We have the skincare brush stuff from Cosmetics, which I'm actually pretty happy to get that. And then this is what I'm upset about. I would have loved this. This probably would have been one of my top favorite things, but it's definitely not my color. It's not for my skin tone. So I'll definitely have to put this in a future giveaway. Like I said, let me know down below if you got this, what shade did you get? All right, and that's everything. I will put like right around here how much the price was, everything about this box. Like I said, this is the one that I paid for. They didn't send me, usually I get it in PR, but they didn't send me the premium, at least for so far. They didn't send it to me this month. All right, guys, let me know what your thoughts of the Boxycharm Premium. Let me know what variation you got. Are we box twins? Let me know all the tea down below. Please like this video because it really does help me out and it only takes a second. I'm trying to get us to 50,000. I can't believe we're like so close to 50K, guys. Like I still can't believe it. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell. Make sure that you double tap it and it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos because we all know YouTube doesn't always notify you guys. And that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.